Hello everyone, welcome back to the project idea series in Codersarts in Android application. So in this project idea we are going to explain the some project ideas. So in this video we are going to discuss about the school management system, which is going to enhance the efficiency and the communication among the students and the teachers. So basically this idea is nothing but just a management system of the school. So let's move to the introduction part. In introduction we can see we have provided the project name is the school management system. Second one is the objective, what is the objective of this for creation this application. So to develop the advanced Android application for manages and tracks the school activity, providing the comprehensive information about the students, faculty and the staffs. Who are the target audience for us? Like basically school administrator, teachers and the student and the parents is going to use this application. So let's move to the next part. So what is the market overview and the problem statement here? So what is the current challenges that is facing? You can see the inefficient management of the school activities and data, lack of centralized information for the student, faculty and the staffs. And the third one is basically difficulty in communicating changes and updates to all the stakeholders. So stakeholder is nothing but these are the students. So difficulty in communicating changes or any update to all the stakeholders is the basic problem. So what the solution that we have our application is going to provide is the school management system addresses these issues by providing the centralized platform for the efficient management and the communication within a school. So this is the solution that we are going to provide. Let's move to the key features. So what is the key features? Basically we are going to provide is the student information. First one, we are going to detail profile including the academic records, attendance and the personal information for the students and faculty and staff information. We are also going to create various roles like faculty and staff, students and the timetable management and parent portal and for the teachers. So we are going to create the profiles with the roles, schedules and the contact details. We are going to create the timetable management as well, real-time updates of the class schedule and changes. Event tracking is nothing but information and updates about the school events, exams and activities. Notification alerts for the important announcement and the changes. Parent portal, access to the student that progress reports, attendance and the communication with the teachers. And finally, which is very important, is the homework and assignment. So distribution of and tracking of homework and assignment will be done from our application. And last is also important, like the fee management system. We are going to integrate the online payment and the tracking of school fees as well. So let's move to the implementation plan that we are going to implement, how we can going to implement it. So basically first we are going to implement the user interface design, and we are going to develop a user friendly and intuitive interface for the easy navigation and the information access. And second thing, that we are going to create the backend for it. For creating the backend, we need set up a secure database for storing the information of students, faculty and the activities. And secondly, we are going to integrate the real-time updates and the capability of the schedule, event and other tasks. So fourth one, for the front-end development, we are going to implement the user interface using framework like Kotlin, and we are going to perform the testing on our application. We are going to conduct the through testing and functionality, usability and security. And last but not the least, we are going to deploy this application on the Play Store with ongoing support. Okay, so these are the things of the implementation plan that we are going to use in our application. So let's move to the next part. What is the benefit of this benefit and the future scope of creating this application? What are the benefits here? You can see for administrator, we have streamlined management of the school operation in operations and data. For teachers, basically efficient communication and tracking the student progress. And the third one, for the stakeholders like students and the parents, easy access to the important updates, important information and updates. What is the future enhancement that we are going to provide in our application? Is basically we are going to integration of AI and the personalized learning path and the recommendation. We are going to do the expansion to include the additional feature like transportation tracking and the library management. And thirdly, we are going to do some partnership with the educational content provider, enhancing the learning and resources. And the last but not the least, we are going to implement analytics for insight into the student performance and the school operations. So basically these are the benefits and the future scope that we are going to add in our application. So So if you have any idea like this, or if you wanted to work on this idea, so you can just drop a mail to the contact@coderers.com. So thank you. So if you need any other further assistance with your assignments or the coding project as well, so you can just drop a mail to contact@coderers.com.